Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing my Lisa hair. This is the 613 Peruvian Body Wave 13x6 lace frontal wig, and it's in the inch 22. After I straighten this hair, I'm gonna give y'all honest reviews, and I'm giving y'all all the pros, the cons, all the details, all the tea on my Lisa hair. I'm not holding nothing back. Straight honest, whether it sheds, whether it tangles, whether it colors, everything. Keep watching this video and I will give y'all all the tea and all the information on this hair. And towards the end, I do curl it for the first time, so you will also get a review on me curling the hair, whether it holds a curl or not. And this is the major part. If y'all have not done so, subscribe to my channel. I mean, why not subscribe to my channel? Like the video, leave me something special in the comment box, and see y'all later. Hi YouTube, it's Tiara and I'm back with a video, and this time I am reviewing my Lisa. This is a 22-inch Peruvian 613, and it is of course 13x6 body wave lace frontal wig. And when I ordered it, it also said it was glueless, but of course I glued it down, which if I were to wear it glueless, it possibly could be, but I like my hair to be secure in place and no confrontation after that. So I want to give y'all details on this wig. I received the hair within, of course, 3 to 4 days. Didn't take long at all, and it came in a box, in a bag. It was nice and pretty and full. I loved it right off the back. It was, the pattern was amazing. After I toned it, only thing I did to this wig was tone it. It came pre-plucked. I did not pluck it at all, because usually when you pluck blonde hair, kind of looks bald. So I did not pluck this hair at all. The only thing I did was tone it, and I toned it twice, and I had dyed the roots of the hair, and I did not want to dye it like really brown or a black, because black looks like I will look like a ghost if I dye my roots black, which I never tried it before, but my preference, I don't like black roots or me. So I just wanted the brown look, just a light enough brown, because I don't want it completely brown, which it came out amazing. So I'm happy with the results. And I only had this hair straightened so far, and it straightens, of course, wonderfully. And later on in the video, I will show y'all curling, because I have not yet curled it, so I have no idea if it holds a curl, but it takes heat pretty good, so I'm pretty sure it may hold a curl really good. But just going by, I had this hair in for about 2 weeks. This is my second time reinstalling it, because the first week I like to change my hair every week, and I like to reinstall it so it won't really pull on my edges or anything, even though I have the cap underneath. But I just like to change mine every week, and this is my second time reinstalling it. I did not wash it at all yet since reinstalling it. I just took it off and then put it right back on after I maintained my hair underneath. But I have a lot of pros and a lot of cons with this hair so far within those 2 weeks. Again, this is 22-inch from my Lisa 13x6 body wave frontal wig. I believe this hair is 150% density. I do not think it's 180%, because You can definitely tell. To me, this hair feels a little thin. I really like thick hair, but usually that's what happens when you buy a wig. It's usually not as thick as making a wig. And to me, it feels a little thin, but it looks natural. You can't really tell it's thin. The ends are thin to me. I'm kind of not used to that. 22 inches. Let me stand up so we can kind of length check. 22 inches. It comes right here. Turn around, and it goes like mid back. I believe it is true to length when you straighten the hair. If you keep it in the body wave pattern, of course, it's not going to be true to length. You have to straighten it, and then you will get the length that you pay for. It's beautiful hair. I'm trying to get all the pros out. It's beautiful. Tone's perfect. Straightens perfect. Just looks really natural. It's so pretty, and the price, you can't, it's very affordable for the 22 inch, and it does say Peruvian. I paid $150 with 613 hair is actually a lot higher than regular hair because it has been processed. It's really hard finding the best 613 hair. You can't find the perfect 613 hair because 613 hair has already been through a lot. And then if you were to customize it, cut the lace, do this, do that, of course you're going to get shedding and, you know, all that extra stuff, or tangling, or, you know, just really rough and brittle. But luckily, after I toned it twice and dyed the roots, this hair is still soft. This hair is still soft. It actually looks soft. I put no product on hair. This is just how it is after toned and washed. I did not condition it. I just put the purple shampoo on to tone it, and that's all I did. When I did the roots, I just washed it out with the purple shampoo. And I did not leave it in the purple shampoo to just sit and soak. No, I went ahead and just washed it out, and it came out beautifully. I'm so happy with the results. And yeah, but let's get into the cons. I don't want to stay forever on the pros, but I want to get into the cons. And it's sort of like the average results for 613 hair. Shedding. Now, this hair sheds, and I'm gonna be honest, like, this hair sheds more than I thought it was gonna shed, because I had 613 hair before, and it does not shed the way this one sheds. And this hair sheds, and okay, I didn't get none there, but this hair sheds. But of course, it's 613 hair. It's been through a lot. It's going to shed. But if I were to have it in a ponytail or pinned up and take it down, like, I'm gonna get some hair when it comes down. If I got it tied up in a bun or anything, I'm gonna get some hair when I'm combing it. And I don't know if y'all could tell in the video, with me straightening my hair, I was getting some strands just by doing that. And but that's, you know, that's going to happen. But it's kind of sad that it happens, because it's already, to me, kind of thin. So, you know, I kind of need all my strands. But yeah, it does shed. It does tangle. The tangle, like, if it was like straight down like this, it's not gonna tangle. But of course, when it's up and you're trying to get it down, it's gonna tangle. So it sheds, it tangles, it's thin. That's my con. It is thin for 150. I mean, I know it's not 180, 200, but it's not supposed to be this thin. I'm sorry. Like, these ends, it's not working for me. Like, you can't really tell. Like, if you separate it like that, like, I'm not trying to see my body. I'm not trying to see my body. Like, I'm trying to cover it up. Like, it's thin, and I can't not wear this hair in a ponytail. Like, you have to wear it down or have it pinned up. Like, this ponytail is really thin. Look at this. This ponytail is really thin. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? This ponytail is really thin, and I don't like that at all. So I will not be wearing this hair often. You know, I would just wear it just because, you know, it's 613, it's cute, whatever, it's summertime, let's be real. But other than that, not wear it. You know, maybe it's because of the length. 22 inches, you kind of can get away with 150 density. Don't get me wrong. Like, it's not like it's just extra thin. Like, I have it adjusted in the back. I do not wear my combs, but I do have the band locked in, so it feels so secure. I do like that. But let's get back to the cons. Just the fact that it's thin to my liking. It may not look thin, and that's perfect. I don't want it to look thin, but if I were to run my fingers through my hair, like, I'm done already. Like, I don't want to like keep running and like raking through my hair. But that's that. I don't know if it curls yet, so if you keep watching the video, I will do a review on a curling, because I want to make sure it can take heat properly and it's able to curl, because most reviewers will be like, oh, it curls, yeah, after you put hairspray and everything else. I want to know if it curls just right off the bat, because usually when people get their hair, they automatically go and curl it. And I like to wear mine straight for a while and make sure it gets kind of rough, and then I curl it, because when your hair is rough, it curls a lot better. So I'm trying to think of any other cons with this hair. I think that may be it. It does not really have any flyaways. Of course, I told y'all I didn't put anything on it. The lace was nice, and that's about it. But keep watching this video and I will show y'all how I curled the hair. And thank you for watching so far, and let's get right into it. Thanks. All right, now we're back, and obviously y'all can see that it does curl. Now, I only do tight curls only if I have like an event to go to or a special occasion. So I don't ever do tight curls on my hair. Only like full body curls really. And that's about it. But I honestly thought I was not, let me show y'all the curls, sorry. I honestly thought I was not gonna like it being curled. But I actually do like it. Like, don't y'all just love this like big voluminous curls, soft, like. Okay, yes, I am definitely feeling this look. And I probably took like 5-10 minutes to curl because I did like big pieces, of course. But yeah, I am loving this look. This hair does curl, so that's another pro. And it actually gives the hair so much body and fullness with the instead of straight. Even though I love straight hair, like I love straight hair, but I definitely love these curls too. They're loose curls. I did not put no product on the hair. I'm pretty sure if you use like hairspray or any kind of like serum to hold the curls, it will stay. But I like the loose curl look. This is more like an everyday kind of curl look. But yeah, you know, overall I would rate this hair maybe a 6.57, and that's really only because the hair is thin. You know, I can deal with shedding and tangling, but the fact that this hair is on the thinner side, I will probably rate the hair in between a 6.5 and a 7, because overall the hair is really pretty. Now, especially after I curl it, I really do like the hair. But it is a little thin for me. I can deal with shedding, I can deal with tangling, but it's a little bit thin for me. But if you enjoyed this video today, give me a thumbs up, comment what you like about this hair, and I will leave all the details down in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.